Hey guys, NIC here with another daily recap. I'll make it a quick one here as I want to turn off the app before I continue to trade. And since the FOMO is active, the FOMO is pretty strong. So another nice green day. Initially I started out with DBGI. So during the pre-market, I see it kept it up, and somehow there was this down downtrend resistance. So I was thinking if it pops up here and I will add for it to go up. However, I did not trust myself enough, and also I wanted to stay away from the market for the first 2-3 minutes. So as you can see, this 3 minutes, despite it breaking this downtrend and hence this nice $1 move, okay, maybe like 60-70 cent move. However, I did not, and as it was breaking like this pullback, I was thinking this could be the pullback, and then as it was going again, not seeing that the 5 minute is really overextended, so impatiently I jumped in here and got myself 50 cent loss here. This is a stupid move. So trading is like this, like sometimes you take 2 step forwards and you take 2 step back, then 2 step forward, 2 step back, and until you gradually are consistently able to make like maybe 3 step forwards, 2 step back, 3 step forwards, 1 step back, and that's how you get profitable. There isn't a time frame for everyone, and everyone's timing is different since the market also is different. So this is just a silly move. Past few days I've been trading really well and really strong discipline. However, this FOMO at the 4th minute candle seeing is going a new high, I FOMO, and probably because I read the Discord people saying DBGI is the stock today, probably affected my thinking a little. So I added small here, thankfully. But this is still a 50 cent loss. Pretty frustrated with myself. Seeing my discipline, this is probably a false breakout, as you can see. It went back for the downtrend. So yeah, this is one really bad trade. This is one thing that you should not do in the open. As it's gapping up, let it confirm itself instead of just hopping here. So yeah, this is chasing. It's overextended by like $1. So learn from this. Secondly, CRV was my same thing, was my bread and butter today. So in the open, I added here, and as it's going up at around this level, I'm seeing it's pretty near 20. I don't want to be caught in a high resistance, so I got out here. However, you went to the hot again, but yeah, this was my limit. I was thinking if let's say it could get above, I have no idea where I got this line, but okay, it seems like it works. This was a downtrend and somehow it broke out of it pretty good. So yeah, into a halt. Then I didn't add here because this was the PMH. So as it's crossing the PMH, I'm still being cautious. So it went up. Oh, actually, yeah, I sold half here and leave the other half to for the second one. So I sold out here again. You went out into a halt. Yeah, then this was an extended 10-minute halt. So third time it was going hot up again. I added here, seeing the open here, and this was some kind of chase here, but this was a previous day high, and I'm thinking it could be holding here, or else I will use this as a hard stop. So next candle it halted up, but this time around I sold it just when it's about to halt. So I was thinking, how come the volume isn't going too well? Like the level 2 suddenly slows down, so I sold it, not knowing it's another halt. So still alright. This halt was pretty choppy, but as you can see, it's pretty insane. It's like a more than yeah, it's a 200% move. I stopped out when it was like 160 here, thinking 160 could be the hard stop. So it proved me wrong and went further, but yeah, that's the thing that I talked about yesterday. Like sometimes you might feel awful leaving money on the table, but just have to focus that I took all these right trades. And BYFC was a a sympathy stock of CRV. So I added here 947 when CRV was going crazy. Yeah, this 10-minute halt. So we went up, I sold here, and basically I think someone was trying very hard to short BYFC. So yeah, as you can see, I got out at the worst timing possible. Not patient enough. I just want to, since I sold half here, and actually I sold more than half here. So this isn't that much profit. I don't want to sit in my computer for another 20 minutes for nothing. So I choose to just sell off here. And he just went up. This is probably a really, really stupid move, seeing how CRV went and BYFC was lagging. Like basically all the move they move 5 to 10 minutes later. So yep, wasted some time at BYFC here. Could have sold off everything here, but somehow this looked like a little bit like an ugly inverted head and shoulder. And plus CRV was going ballistic. As you can see, halted 27, and now it's at it went up all the way to 38. I'm thinking it could go back down to 150, 120, I don't know. But I'm done for the day, got my profit, so I don't want to stay here and look at it. Although I could potentially be making more money, I could also be losing more money. Statistics wise, I trade best around 9 to 10, so it's time for me to step out of the market. So yeah, traded DBGI, one loss, kind of chased this because of FOMO, poor discipline here. CRV really, really nice trades, although I could play it riskier, but it's hindsight, so I'm okay with me playing this safe. BYFC was okay too, just that knowing it's a sim and seeing how CRV is doing, I should have more confidence in it. Probably like stock market is the transferring of money from the patient to the impatient. I mean the impatient to the patient, right? So in this case, I was too impatient here. I just want to close the app, and because of I know that if I stay any longer, I might jump into any other place. So I choose to sell off here, and being impatient, it immediately went up extra 27 move, but that's just how it is. A win is a win. So yeah, other than that, ARPO was also going up very nicely. It was bombing the trade ideas. So I keep hearing ARPO, 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 but I didn't trade it because the risk is too much for me. I mean, it's a really cheap stock and very small float if I'm not wrong. This candle is like 10 cents, and seeing how much the price is, I feel this CRV might be a better opportunity, so I wasn't in here. GBS was kind of like my second or third. Top watch. It went up during pre-market. So PMH here, it tried to go PMH, didn't, and went again, but didn't hold here. So same thing, CRV is a better opportunity, so I wasn't in here. COHN, choppy, hot down, hot up, hot down, hot up, hot. So yeah, I don't want to be caught in this nonsense. U1 or UNE, however you want to call it, is nice. It got hotter up here, but that's all. SID also did. There's a lot of hots today, so however I feel, oh, this has too hot too, and a nice wedge back. But yeah, to me, the safest play and most confident of is CRV for me, and knowing the sympathy was BYFC, so that's why I spend most of my time here. One trade at DBGI, and basically all green trades here and all green trades here. So just gonna call it a day. AMC, nice wedge, nice reversal, but yeah, I just leave AMC here just to watch to see how this thing will unfold. I'm not trading it anymore. MBO, nice move too. Seems like it could be trying to stay above the 200. Hopefully. AMS, nice reversal too, as it was not really tanking, going down. The real tank is these two. PT, no idea what happened to PT, but I was just in really small here, lottery buy, so and SMDL, however, Wheatstock seems to have some noise, so I'll just leave it. So yeah, that's all for today's day recap. Pretty happy. So I didn't really go and count how many win streak I have. I mean wins in a row, win days, since it could affect my trading mentality. So I'll just leave it. And so far this week has been really great. Although I would say it's a lucky week, since as far as I can remember, most of my profits came from hot plays like this. So you don't get this every day, and especially during a down market, you don't especially see that many up hot. So yeah, I'm gonna end the daily recap here. Hopefully you guys same thing, treat better than me and properly not nonsense trade like this, more discipline. So yeah, do share down in the comment what you guys trade today and stuff. So I'll just end it here. Hopefully it won't be dragged too long, since I always want to do it short, but it still somehow ends at 10 minutes. So yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you guys for tomorrow. Same thing, first thing in the morning or night time if you're in my time zone. So yeah, stay safe, trade safe, peace.